Thank you for allowing us to demonstrate an application tool that is transforming the way housing inspections are conducted. Inspective is an application designed by IEI that leverages cutting-edge artificial intelligence to enhance the accuracy and the reliability of housing inspections. Once you're logged into the application, first verify that all of your information is correct. Then the housing inspector will select the inspection that's been assigned to them. From here, they're going to select the property type, select amenities, select rooms, and begin the inspection. First, we select the housing type. In this case, we'll select single-family detached dwelling, and we would select amenities that exist on that particular unit. Then we'll select which rooms exist in that housing unit. Standard would be living room, kitchen, bathroom. You could do secondary rooms not used for living, like a utility room or a storage room, but then we can also select add additional areas used for living and select rooms such as bedrooms, dining rooms, a secondary living room, family room, den, etc. In this case, we'll select bedroom, and we then select which floor that particular bedroom exists on. So in here, we have the living room, kitchen, bathroom, and bedroom. Once you have all of your rooms selected that exist in the property, you click next. For each one of the areas and rooms selected, there are specific questions that the inspector will go through in order to conduct the inspection. For instance, in the bedroom, evidence of infestation. Does the unit show evidence of infestation of insects, rodents, or unwanted pests? Is there any evidence of bed bug infestations? In this case, you would, let's say, no rodents, but yes, we have bed bugs, and then select next. The system is automatically going to require that you take a photo of the given area. It gives a representative photo of what that looks like, and then you can take a photo. In this case, I'm going to skip. Because as you go through your inspection and complete each one of the area, you're answering the questions and then taking representative photos. Is there working smoke detector in the room? Are there any evidence of exposed electrical wires? In this case, I do have some damage and a crack, so we are going to take a photo of that particular area. So I'm going to take a photo, and it will allow me to grab my camera and take a photo of a crack, a settling crack in the wall. Now, I can take multiple photos and add more, or I can proceed from here if that is the only crack that I want to show in a representative photo. Once you complete an area and finish answering the questions, it will, you'll see the green check mark. The goal is to make sure that each area has been completed and has a green check mark. Once a given room has been completed, you'll see that it also creates a check mark there to let the inspector know that all of the questions have been answered. We cannot proceed beyond this point until we answer all of the questions for all of the rooms that we have indicated exist in the property. Once you've completed all the indoor rooms, there's also outdoor inspection areas, including building exterior, heating and plumbing, and general health and safety. Once all the inspection areas have been completed, you'll notice that there is a green check mark in each area. Once this is done, you can proceed. There are some general questions included for each of the subject living areas that the inspector can also indicate additional things that exist within the property, such as in the kitchen with the various different appliances that might exist at the property. This helps to remind the inspector also to inspect these appliances are functional. If none of these things exist, then we would move on. Let's say we can select that the dishwasher exists and a garbage disposal, and there's Eden at the breakfast counter, and there's a double sink, and there's a microwave. Finally, there's some additional questions that are asked toward the end. Does the owner make repairs when asked? Yes or no? How many people are living in the unit? How much does the rent cost? What else is paid by the tenant? So you would specify, let's say, water is paid by the tenant, and then who owns the range, refrigerator, microwave. And then if there's anything else that you want to tell us or specify, this would be a good place to indicate any notes that the inspector has noted throughout the inspection, or any comments that the tenant would like to provide in addition to the normal inspection information. Once you're done, click complete, and this completes the inspection. Once the inspection is complete, a quality control review of all inspections are completed prior to the inspection actually being released. Here's the inspection that we just completed. We select the inspection. We can go through and review all the information on this particular inspection. So doing a QC review, the inspection area in the living room was found to be defective. Why is it defective? On this particular item, the window was indicated that it did not open and close properly. And the artificial intelligence is reading that there may be some damage to that particular window. We would verify whether or not that was indicated correctly. We would also scroll through and just verify anywhere that there were issues. It was found that this particular area was defective because we do have a crack in the wall. So the AI indicated correctly that it was defective. Of course, once the inspection has been completely reviewed and everything has been quality control checked, then it's ready to be released. So we complete the verification. And now that particular inspection, the HUD form can be generated. At this point, we can either email the HUD form or we can proceed to just open the HUD form, emailed or uploaded to a third-party location. All the information that was subject to the HUD form, the date of the inspection, is on here, inspection area. So all of the questions that were answered throughout the inspection process now are indicated as pass or fail with the information provided in that particular inspection. And the inspection is complete.